The hard and soft sounds of the letters C and G. The main sound or the hard sound of letter C is K. For example, cat, cupcake, corn, duck. The soft sound of letter C is S when letter C is followed by the letters E or I or Y. For example, city, ice, spicy. The main sound or the hard sound of letter G is G. Wagon, goat. Tag, gorilla. The soft sound of letter G is J, like the sound of letter J, J. When G is followed by the letters E or I or Y, it is pronounced J. J, giraffe, huge. J, gym. Words that don't follow this pronunciation rule: gift, give, get, girl, angel, muscle, soccer.
Created using Powtoon.